Hey crafters, so today in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing video from My Favorite Things stamps. This will be the first time I ever bought from this company. I did buy some of the new release stamps and dies, so stay tuned to see what I got. Okay crafters, so ready to unbox. So I got this a couple days ago, just now being able to open it. I won a gift card and I purchased some things from this website when they did a new release. So this company always sends a Jelly Belly. So I don't know what flavor it is, but a Jelly Belly, and then packed with love. So let's get into this. So we have a little thank you note from the company, and it looks like who packed it. So that's cute. I did buy a little orange zest square, so a little orange zest stamp pad. Ooh, I got a free gift. So I got a free gift. It says hand stamped by you, hand stamped or handmade, do not bend. Ooh, cool. So these are really cool. These would actually do really well for some of your, if you're a card maker, if you send stuff in the mail like sealed with a hug, do not bend, hand stamped for you, handmade, from my love to yours. So these are some cute stamps, so that's really cute. So here's some of the new releases that they just released. So let me do the dies with the things. So here's the new one. And this one is called, I'm not sure if this one has what it's called. Yes, My Smile is bigger because of you. So you have some sentiments and some little characters. And then I got the die cut with it. So I got a turtle, a chameleon, an alligator. So some cute little cartoonish looking animals. And then this was one of my favorite sets. I got this one, which is Thank My Lucky Stars for You. And again, this one is called Thank My Lucky Stars. And I got the die set. So the die set, you know, has a bunch of little ones too, so don't lose those little ones, like some little stars it looks like. Little bucket. What is this one? This might be the little crab, I think. You have the little tiny crabs. I don't know if you can see it. The little tiny crabs, so little in the little the die set. And then I got to, since I spent so much, I got the free little cloud die set, and then they sent me these, and the zest, and the Jelly Belly. So it's not really a lot of an unboxing, but I did use my free $50 gift card that I won and purchased these. So I'm excited to use these, so stay tuned for some cards that I make. Check out this video and others on my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and like my video, and we might just have to make a card together.